Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Stephanie. So today I have an unboxing. So I have another item that I purchased from AliExpress. I'm going to show you what it is. So let's dive right in. So you could probably tell by the title what I purchased. So the box kind of feels a little crushed, but that's okay. We're still going to work with whatever it is. So they put like a packing slip, and this looks new, a cute little thank you Moterm card, which is fabulous because you can use this to cut washi tape. So that's very pretty. So I'm gonna leave that there. And here is a box. So this is the first time I've ever received a package that looks like this. And I'm a little disappointed because I like to store my planners in the boxes. And here's the other items. So I did order some rings, some gold rings to go with it. So that is what's in here. So this is for a personal size. I always order rings to go with my planners, even though what I like about Moterm is that the rings are removable. They're not like having a Louis Vuitton agenda or even my VDS with the Croc rings. You do have to go through a longer process to removing them. These, you just screw them in and out. And I could actually do that with another one that I have, but I just like to permanently leave whatever rings I'm using inside the planner and just avoid having to switch them out each time I switch to a different planner. So I hope, sorry for the noise, I hope there's no damage to the actual planner. So this is from Moterm. I did order on AliExpress because I ordered a personal wide in Croc from Moterm. So it looks like it's bent a bit, but let's open it up for further inspection. So this is your fly leaf you get with it. That is what the fly leaf looks like, and as you can see, it's kind of not sitting quite flat, but I don't know why that's happened. Okay, so because I ordered an imperfect planner, I'm not sure if I've ordered one before. They actually tell you what is the imperfection. So on this fly leaf, as you could see, I think it works out to be about maybe $15 or more less. There looks like there's some cuts. I don't know, it's going to be very hard to see, but I like that they actually pointed to where the item has a little cut in it, and that's okay. I can definitely live with that. It's on the back side, and I wouldn't even notice it because it's black. And then let's see if there's any imperfections on this actual planner. And so once you look, this is in the black Croc, and it is like a leather material. It is beautiful on the outside. Absolutely no imperfections. They have labeled here. So I'll take it. So I love the fact that the actual planner itself didn't have any imperfections. It's just literally on the back side of the fly leaf. That's where the imperfection is. And they are nice to give you a pack of personal wide refill paper. So if you are not familiar with sizes, I can show you what a personal versus a personal wide look like. So here is your personal paper versus this personal wide. So you have about an inch difference. You could still probably use, I don't know if you guys can see because they're both very similar in color, but you have here about an inch difference. So there you go. So it tells you there, that's about an inch. So let's go through what is kind of included in here. So I did order, as I said, those gold rings to switch it out. I do have a VDS. This is where the personal wide came in because I was in personal wide for half of this year. and for 2022, and I absolutely love the size. It has definitely, as I said before in another video, it married me having a personal and having a mini HP, and I have found my happy medium because I do put slits in all of my papers like this so I can slide them in and out, which is very similar to like having a disc bound. So I love that idea of doing that. So as you can see, because it has pocket at the back, it will not sit like flat. So if you need your planners to sit flat like this, then I feel like having a big like folio pocket is going to be an issue. So for me, that doesn't bother me because once my inserts are in here and you play around with it, you can kind of fold it a bit. As you can see, for the most part, it's in there pretty flat, but you're not going to get a true sitting flush to the table. So the first thing is that big pocket. It's like a almost like a vinyl. I mean, for buying a leather planner, you would think that in here would maybe be a nice suede or something a little bit better quality, but you kind of get what you pay for, right? So in here you have another pocket. So for change or for cards, or if you want to put some stickers, that's perfect for that. You do get, one thing I do like about Moterm, they do give you a lot of pockets. So if you are a person that likes a lot of decor or carrying things, like this side would be great even on the go, then you could fit everything in here. So you get another pocket here, and then you get, I would say that this is like a front secretarial pocket, and that's there. So that has 1, 2, 3, and 4 spots where you could potentially put cards at the front. Then you have another going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on this side, along with your pen loop. So the thing is, even though you change out your rings, your poppers are going to still be silver, and your hardware here is going to be silver, but that's okay. So once you close it, I mean, you're not going to notice that. Okay, so I'm just going to open this back up and show you. So you do get one pocket here, you get a second pocket here, and you get this third here basically. So you have an extra 1, 2, and 3 pockets. And then I'll just turn it around. Let's inspect the whole thing. So it looks pretty good to me. Moterm does not let you make any customizations. So it's not like when you buy a VDS. I do have a pre-loved VDS, but when I went on the website to kind of look at the prices to make sure I was getting a good deal, you can make a lot of customizations. I'm assuming you could probably round your corners. These are square. So if that bothers you, I don't round the edges of any of my paper. So for me, it doesn't bother me, but I can show you what both would potentially look like in here. So that it is your personal wide paper. And then here is a personal. So as you can see, there is obviously a difference, but you definitely could get away with both. So if I close this up, you can see the difference. So here it is inside of the planner. But if you say wanted to try out a personal wide and you already have like personal inserts, if you buy just this, you could probably use it for both. I like that it's stiff because right now with my VDS, I have some stuff in the back. So I could show you hopefully in another video and do some comparisons around the difference between the two. And I also have another hack that I want to show you guys with some comparisons. So here is a fly leaf. I love that they show you what's wrong with the planner. There is a slight scratch here, but that's okay. And then here it is with the fly leaf. And it closed up. So that is my new planner. Maybe that's another imperfection, that it doesn't line up properly this way. I don't know. I guess once it has this on, it's fine. So there you go. So that is it. this is my new planner. I will probably move into this hopefully shortly and show you the difference in another video in terms of a comparison between the three planners that I have in mind to show you if you are interested in personal wide or a personal planner. So that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look at this new Moterm personal wide in Croc, black Croc. And if you have any questions, definitely leave it down below. I'm going to try to remember to link it. And that is it. So you guys take care. I'll see you again. Bye.